Hi, this is Clark, and this is all about basic 3D printing. Today, we will be 3D printing tools that can be used in our garage or even in the manufacturing level. Okay, let's go to our browser. Let's type in thingiverse.com. Thingiverse is an online website where we can download 3D models, digital designs for free. By searching in the correct keywords of the model you're looking for, you can already download it. Right here is a mini wrench kit created by Usul. Here are photos we can see right here. So this is functional, so I love it. Right here we can see the files. You can select them individually. One thing I love about Thingiverse, you can already thingy view the file you will be downloading to inspect, just to check if it's printable, if it's a good file. As we can see right here, the labels are engraved. You can be creative on labeling your models. We can engrave, we can also emboss labels. So I think this is good, so let's download. So let's download the file. Okay, right there. So let's check the file we downloaded, my mini wrench kit. So we need to extract the file, my mini wrench kit right here. So let's extract to our desktop. Okay. So let's close this one and also this one. Oh, right here. So we already have our file. Let's create a folder. It's not bad to organize stuff, right? Let's create a folder. Let's type in mini wrench kit. Okay, so let's put it in one folder. Okay, so we already have our file, 3D model. Let's proceed to Ultimaker CURA.
A few moments later.
There you go. So this is the main interface of Ultimaker CURA. Basically, this is the digital platform of your 3D printer. And from here, you can already choose the 3D printer you'll be using to print. Right here is the list of Ultimaker 3D printers. From the top, right here, Ultimaker S5. And from the bottom, you can see the third-party 3D printers that can use CURA. So on this video, we'll be using Ultimaker S3. Once you choose your 3D printer, you can already see the digital platform and you can already load your file to be printed. So right here, we'll be using M3. This is part of the mini wrench kit. Okay, so right here, you can already slice your model and you can already see the time of printing, the materials will be used, and you can already save into the removable disk. But we need to set first the correct material we'll be using. So here are generic materials, and right here there's a Polymaker, and here are Ultimaker materials, preset materials. In just one click, you can already select the correct settings. So right here we'll be using Ultimaker Silver Metallic PLA. Right here is a move tool. If you click this one, you'll be able to drag your model. If you want to print right here, there's no problem. If you want to print right here, it will be fine. You can also type in the coordinates manually. If we type in right here 0, 0, 0, it will be on the middle. Okay, so another tool right here is a scaling tool. If you want to resize your model, you just type in the correct percentage. Right here is a 200% larger. You can also try 600% larger. So we can basically scale our model based on what we want. So we can also try 800. Right there. So the software will also tell you if the model will not fit the platform. So let's scale back to the original size. Right here's the original size. I typed in 100%. And another tool right here is a snap rotation tool. You can rotate your model based on the orientation of the printing orientation you want. You can print it on this position. And another tool right here is a mirror tool. From the word itself, mirror, it will mirror your model. You can flip it upside down, you can flip it sideways. Okay, so once we are satisfied with the orientation we want, or the scale and the location, we can already proceed to slicing. And if you're already satisfied with your model, you can already preview the process of the printing. So as we can see right here, the model is very colorful. So it's already color labeled. For example, extruder 1 is labeled as gray, extruder 2 is labeled as yellow, so it's on. So right here, you can already monitor the print process. And if you drag a little bit right here, the infill is color coded in orange. As you can see right here, it's quite not solid. So we want to achieve a solid model because this will be functional. So we will change it right here. So let's scale it up to 60% infill. So let's slice again. Then as you can see right here, it's still 17 minutes and you will use 1 gram. And let's preview. So as you can see right here, the infill is now quite solid, but not that solid. Let's try 90% and slice. Okay, as you can see right there, it increased in the volume of the infill. So if you will be using this as a functional tool, we want this to be solid. That's why we want to print this in 90%. So let's remove the support. Right here is the support. Let me just explain a little bit. So support materials are placed when the model is overhangs. So when we place the model in this position, we can see right here. So the infill overhang appears right here at the bottom of the wrench. So as you can see, 3D printing, you cannot print in mid-air. So we will be needing to add supports. So if you preview this model, so the orientation will also change the time of printing. So you can see here it is now 28 minutes, but we will not do this. As we can see right here, there's a little bit of overhang. So it will not be printing in mid-air. So we need to add support right there. If we add support, let me just show you. Let's slice. So it's now 30 minutes. Then the support is now color coded in sky blue. As you can see right here, CURA will automatically tell you that this part needs support. Then it will automatically add support. So right here, it's now fully supported. So you won't be having problems when printing. There. So in one click, you can already see the support or helpers color coded in sky blue. Alright, as you can see in the middle part, the infill is color coded in orange. The inner wall is color coded in green. And there you go. Okay, so once we're satisfied with our model, we can already proceed with printing. That's it. So it's really simple. You can try this by downloading the Ultimaker CURA, which I put up the link in the description. Let's try to load our mini wrench kit. So this will be printed in one print. So let's try printing it in 90% infill without support. So I think this is a great orientation. So we don't need to change the orientation. This is the original scale. No need for changing. Then let's slice. So the whole wrench kit will take up to 1 hour and 57 minutes to print. So let's try the previews. So right here, from the bottom to part, it will be printed successfully. Then it's ready for saving. So once it's saved to the removable disk, you can now eject, then put it on the 3D printer, then it's ready for printing. That's it. Alright, that's it. I hope you learned something about this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Please do follow us on our social media accounts. Give us a thumbs up. And thank you once again. And this is all about basic 3D printing.